All right, we got our new keypad, our vault lock. We're gonna simulate, oh no, it ain't working with the keypad, the battery died or whatever. Come over here, put this key in, turn it, pull this out, just put a little bit of pressure like that, stick it back in. There's a right way to put it in, turn it, bam, now you can open it manually. Then you have to come back in here and engage this. Come over here, push your button, the motor will re-engage. And now we can close it. We got that, and then I'll show you this remote working. Nice and sealed. Hit this. I'll put this remote right over here, hanging off of this thing right here. That's where we'll keep it. And the key will have to go somewhere else. Here's your instructions. I'll close it here, or you can reprogram that. It's really easy. The instructions are in there. Right now it's 1985. Nice and sealed. Awesome.